Hello everybody, I'm unboxing my Fursuit that I've mentioned a couple times on the channel.
Yay, unboxing!
And my hair looks like crap, so don't
unboxing,
get weird about it.
Unboxing and review.
I have forgot that there was a giant window there.
There's a mirror here.
Mirror, not window, mirror.
God, that's some monster tape.
Yeah, this is the same black tape that Raven uses.
Hey, it works, right?
Yeah.
Now if only it will actually work on fabric and clothing. Because it doesn't...
Hey look, a belt!
Yay, belt!
Okay, so we've got the suit.
It's insane.
Yeah, it was... I packaged it like that, actually.
Ah.
I helped package it since I went over to my Fursuit maker, who is local, and as no, I didn't actually do that video, but she's local, so we just went over, took a few pictures, and then I packed the box. So
Well, I helped a little. I helped a little bit. So, are you going to be getting dressed in this? Or just on...
partial, maybe. I might put on the full suit.
Just a little. No, it doesn't.
No, that one doesn't.
I hope that my recording skills are still as steady as they used to be.
This is my arms.
You know, Raven's actually discovered using a tablet with a camera because you have that nice wide base.
These are my arms.
Woo! Arms.
Mm-hmm. See if you...
My paws.
Pauses.
Paws, foot paws.
Paws.
Those are some big paws.
I've got some big feet.
You know what
The
they
shoe
say?
ends about right here.
You know what they say about guys with big feet? They
Oh,
wear
yeah.
big paws. Yep. You better believe it.
Well, I don't have big feet.
Okay.
Oh,
My
I don't know.
glove paws.
Yay!
And the biggest part of the whole thing
That is the head.
goodness.
It's arcade.
It's arcade.
It's arcade.
It's the goodness.
So this is the partial of Arcade's Fursuit.
That's awesome sauce.
It is very much awesome sauce. Is the straw long enough? And the answer is no, apparently. Sad panda. But yes. Still have no idea how to understand. I would think, though, that there's not much breathing room with that tail. Idea. Wearing it, probably going to be best to actually wear it partially zippered down to here. With a undershirt on. Would actually be pretty great. Or not undershirt, but like something that would probably... That works out rather well. Let's see. Show the rest of the world. Foot paws. Paws. And show us some tail. People want to see your fluffy tail. It's huge. That is a really big tail. And that's also the smaller tail as well, as in comparison. Smaller tail, bigger tail, smaller tail. For dancing. Yes. No. I need to learn how to communicate with that.
Don't start recording yet.